Next see exercise 6.1 second question. There are x students in a class. They arrange themselves equally into the group of 7. How many groups are there? Total x students given. They said arrange these students into groups, and in one group 7 students should be there. So we have to find how many groups they will make. So see there, firstly see from here. Suppose in your class 21 students are there. I am saying to you, you have to make a group of 7 students. So how many groups will be formed? If 21 students are there, then in one group 7 students will be there. 7 in other group 7, 14 in other group 7, total 21 came. It means 1 2 3 3 groups you have to make. One more method is there, easy. If you will divide 21 with 7, then also you will get 3. It means number of groups came 3. So here also same method we will use. Total students in class X, student in a group means in one group total students 7. So if number of groups we have to make with which total students given, we will divide with those students which are in one group. So X divided by 7. So X by 7 is the answer. Clear? Next see third question. The blue pencil is 6 cm long. The red pencil is x centimeter long. What is the difference in their length in terms of x, and what is the total length of both the pencils? To do this question, first of all we will do one example. See here, suppose one student is having pencil of 18 centimeter length and other student is having pencil of 12 centimeter length. If I will say you, one student is having pencil this length and other student is having pencil of this length. If I am saying you find difference, what is the difference between these two length? Difference means you will subtract 18 minus 12. It means 6 centimeter difference again. If I will say you find total length of these two pencils, then you will find, if total I am saying, then you will add 18 plus 12, it will come 30. So like this way, same here we have to do. Blue pencil length 6 centimeter, red pencil length x centimeter. In first part they said find difference in their length, so it means we will subtract both, 6 minus x centimeter. In B part they said find total length, so total length of both the pencils, it means we will add these both, 6 plus x centimeter. Clear up to this? Any doubt, then you can ask from me. See next fourth question. Write the expression for the following statement. Now they have given 8 more than z, 2 less than x. We have to write these statement in the form of expressions. In the algebraic expression we have to write. They said 8 more than z means z is 8 more. 8 more than z we have to write. It means which number is given there, z. In that if we will add this 8, we will get 8 more than z. If I am saying you are having I am having rupees 5 and you are having rupees 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5 means 5 are there with you, but 3 are more than 5 means 5 plus 3. So here also 8 more than z, it means z plus 8. Next they said 2 less than x. Now less came, here more was there, that's why we will add. Here came less, 2 less than x. Now what we will do? Less means which number, which variable is there, write at first. Less said put minus sign, they said 2, then write there 2, x minus 2. Next they said x subtracted from 2 times y. When subtraction we have done there in that chapter, if which number is after from this number is there, so after from which number is there we have to write at first. So here written after from what is there, 2 times y. 2 times y means 2 multiply by y. 2 times y means 2 multiply by y. 2 multiply by y means 2y. Subtracted, put minus sign from x, then they said we will write x as which way written in the statement, same step by step if we will move na, no any mistake will be there. Next they written 2 times y added to 3, where subtraction is there which number at last given we have to write it first, but in addition not way like this way, anyway we can write 2 times y means 2y, added means plus to 3, so 3 I have written there. Clear to all? Last part is there of this question, the quotient of y by x. Quotient of y by x means y divided by x subtracted from 2. So y by x subtracted from 2. I said after from which number is there, write at first, then subtracted sign put minus from this y by x to minus y by x. Clear to all? Next see last question of this exercise, write statement of following expressions. These expressions given, we have to write a statement for these. See there 5 by 3 given, when 5 by 3 here written quotient of y by x, when they said quotient of y by x we have written to it y by x. So now 5 by 3 this way form given, we have to write like this way, 5 by 3, then we can write quotient of 5 by 3. Now here it was subtracted from, but here it is multiplied, so we will write a quotient of 5 by 3, they both are multiplied with each other, multiplied by a. Here 2x plus 4, 2x means 2 times x, this is 2 times x means 2 multiplied by x, so 2 times x, then which operation, added to 4. Next is 5 bracket start y minus 2. Now when subtraction is there, which number is at last in subtraction, we will start from there. 2 less than y, 2 less than y means from y we have subtracted 2, so we will write 2 less than y, with which they both are multiplied with 5, so multiplied by 5. So this was our exercise 6.1.